Hello everyone, Michael back with another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to transfer ownership of a Power App using Power Automate. If you enjoy Power Platform videos, feel free to subscribe because I'll be putting out more videos in that area. And now for my intro. So I'm going to transfer ownership of my time tracker Power App to my other user. Usually you should be transferring your Power Apps to a service account because if someone leaves the organization, then it kind of becomes a mess of trying to transfer those Power Apps over before they depart. So I recommend transferring all your Power Apps to a service account so everything is easy. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up Power Automate. And I want to go ahead and create a new flow. So I'm going to create a instant cloud flow. And then I will just call this transfer Power App. And this will be manually trigger a flow. So I'll go ahead and click on create. So there's only one action with this, and that is I'm going to search for Power App. Now you want to go ahead and you'll see the regular Power Apps one, but you want to go ahead and look for Power Apps for admins. And on the left-hand side, you can see that we have set app owner. So this is the action that we want to use. Okay, so it's asking us for a couple fields. We need the environment name, the Power App name, and then if you click on advanced parameters, we need to set a new app owner as well. So we need to grab that information. And I will show you where you can grab all that information so we can get this app transferred. So first is the environment name. So I'm going to navigate back over to Power Apps, and then I'll click on the cogwheel in the top right-hand corner and click on Session Details. So we can see the environment ID here. So I will go ahead and copy that and then paste it in my environment name. So a quick tip, if you have a dev, UAT, test, and prod deployment pipelines in different environments, I recommend transferring the app before you even deploy to any of those environments, because if you don't, then you will have to run this flow in each of those environments to transfer ownership. It doesn't transfer it. If I do it in my dev environment, then the test, prod, and UAT environments, that app owner will still be the original owner. So do this before you do any deployments. It will save you a few extra steps. So back to this, we have our environment name. I copied that. So now we need the Power App name. I'll navigate back. I'll go to my time tracker app right here. I'll click on the triple dots. I will click on details. Now, if I scroll down at the bottom, we have an app ID right here. So I will go ahead and copy that and I will paste it in the Power App name. So we have a couple other options, role for old app owner. So currently you can only use can view from what I understand. So just leave it like that. I try to use can edit because I want the old app owner to be able to edit it, but it didn't work. So whenever you transfer this, just make sure the new app owner grants you the correct permission. So if you need co-ownership, just make sure they transfer that over if you need it. All right, so last thing we need is new Power App owner. So I will head over to portal.azure.com and I want to go ahead and select Microsoft Enter ID. So we need to grab the ID of the user that we need to transfer this to. So in the portal.azure.com, Microsoft Azure, I will click on my users. And then let's say I want to transfer this app to Nick Morgan. I will click on his name. And then I see there's an object ID right here. So this is what we need. So I'll click on this. And then I will navigate back to my flow, and I will paste that in the new Power App owner. So we have the three fields that we need: the environment name, the Power App name, and the new Power App owner. So I will go ahead and publish this. All right, my flow is ready to go. So let's go ahead and test this. I'll just click on test manually. This flow doesn't take that long to run. It just takes a couple minutes getting the parameter details that you need. So I will go ahead and click on done. And then this should run successfully, hopefully. All right, so the flow ran successfully. It did take longer than I thought. It took a minute to transfer this. Usually when I ran it, it only took 30 seconds, but maybe it's running a little slow today. So let's navigate back over to Power Apps. So now that I can see, I don't have the time tracker Power App under my apps. it's under all, and I see that the new owner is now Nick Morgan. So we successfully transferred this Power App to a different owner using Power Automate Flow. So again, just if you deploy to your other environments, you will have to-do lists in every single environment that this app is in. So try to do this before you deploy from your dev environment. But besides that, that's the easiest way I know how to transfer ownership of a Power App. If you have a better way, please let me know in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please leave a like, leave any comments for any criticism you have. If you liked the video, go ahead and let me know. And I will catch you guys in the next video.